Hi and welcome back to Delicious Hugs. On today we are making a very quick and simple buffalo chicken dip. Go ahead and get started by adding 1 block of softened cream cheese to your bowl. To that you're going to add your favorite buffalo sauce. Next you'll be adding your ranch dip instead of ranch dressing. The sour cream in the dip gives it a more creamier texture. Go ahead and mix those ingredients together until they are combined. Now we can go ahead and add our chopped chicken. It can be rotisserie, it can be whatever you made. You can even probably use the canned chicken. Then you're going to add your favorite shredded cheese. Mix those ingredients together until combined. Now go ahead and taste your dip and make sure it's approved from your taste buds. Now we can get ready to put it in the oven. Just take a greased baking dish. Make sure you put your dip in and spread it out in an even layer. Go ahead and add more shredded cheese on top and put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. And there you have it, buffalo chicken dip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Until next time, bye-bye.